So these are the device. Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So today we have something to unbox. So these are iPod Touch 5th Gen. There are few of them actually. I bought them for $70, and today we are going to check out all of those. So as you can see here, all of them are bubble wrap. There should be 9 of them actually. So let me take out. So these are the iPod and maybe case somewhere here, bubble wrapped. So let's open all of them. I don't really know. They are unlocked or locked. I have no idea because the seller said he did not try them. So, and the seller is actually a trusted seller. I know him very well. So I bought them. And this is actually like trying out my luck. I need only 3 of them actually in working condition to get back my money because these are going around for $30 each. So these are 5th gen. The condition isn't really that good because these are used. So one, maybe some of them will be like usable or some of them will be in the locked condition. But iPod 5th gen is actually bypassable. It's quite easy to bypass. And if there is actually a locked one, maybe I will bypass and sell it as a bypassed device. So this is the blue one with case. This one looks good actually, kind of new. The case, let me take out. Yeah, kind of new as you can see here. Let's try to turn on. No, because they are left for very long actually. These are imported from Japan maybe. So maybe all of them actually locked to the owner. Let's see. This one also looking pretty good. The new MacBook color. This one is bloated as you can see here. Maybe the battery is already dead. Let's try to turn it on. No sign of life. That's what we are going to get. There is one actually rare one. We'll show you. This is also iPod 5th gen, as you can see here. This one has no camera. This is actually specifically 16 GB variant. No sign of life. This one is red. This one is looking good, but there is something written here. I continue always evolving. The button is not good. This is fixable. No sign of life. The blue one is actually really good condition. There are some dust around here. The button is pressable. No sign of life. Another red. There is something written here, Mon. And this is also product red. The button is pressable, but no sign of life. So another gray one with case. Not really in really good condition, but still okay. Home button is not pressable. The power button is working, but obviously no charge. This one is looking bloated actually. Yeah, I can feel that. But it got skin protector. Let's try this one. So no sign of life, and the home button is also not pressable. So let me charge all of them. Let's see how many of them I can save. So this one is running on iOS 6. So maybe this one is not locked because most of the time iOS 6 devices are not really locked. So maybe this one is not locked. Let's see. This one is turning on. This one looks good. The home button is broken, so obviously I have to fix this button. It's quite easy to fix this button actually, but I have to like remove the display. The exterior condition is good actually. Yes, it is on. The display looks yellow. Okay, this one is maybe locked. Yes, this one is iCloud lock, as you can see here. Oh, that's pretty bad start actually. Another one turning on. The display is looking good. Maybe this one also iCloud lock. So two of them turning on. This one is on iOS 6, as you can see here, the logo. And this one is definitely on 7 to 9 maybe. But 5th gen can go up to iOS 9. So let's see. The touch is, and yes, this one is unlocked. Let's see it is connected or not. iCloud. Yes, it has iCloud logged in. Maybe we can like log out. The find my device is on, as you can see here. That's bad actually. So that means we can use the device as it is, but of course it is. There is another one. Maybe this one is also locked. So our start is pretty bad. One of them did not turn on. One of them is locked. Another one is passcode lock. This one going to be maybe iCloud lock, and this one is with find my phone on. So we got another one with user lock or iCloud lock. Let's try. So this device is not locked, so as you can see here, iCloud lock is off. So yeah, we can get at least $30 to $40 for this, because this one is actually really good condition and the battery is holding up. As you can see here, the battery is still lasting. So another one booting up. Yes, this one is also unlocked. Let's see it is connected with iCloud or not. This one is running on iOS 7 maybe. The icons are, so this one is running on iOS 9. Is it connected? No. So another working one which got 32 GB of storage. Everything seems to be working. Touch, okay. The home button is broken, but I can fix it. Let's try this one, the beautiful color actually. This one is looking brand new. I hope this one is working. The battery is not looking bloated. So the red one is turning on. And another one. Let's see this one is locked or not. So this one is passcode lock. Let's try the passcode. And disabled already. The red one is also locked. This one, which is actually locked with owner. I have to bypass this one and I will keep it for myself. This is quite interesting device because it has no camera. The battery is holding charge, so that's good. The buttons are working. That's good. So another red one is turning on. This one is completely dead maybe, or maybe, yeah, this one is completely dead. The black one also passcode lock and iCloud lock. This one has scratch on the display, as you can see here, but overall condition is good. Another one. So this one is on, and as you can see here, the display is dim. Home button, although it is pressing, but not really good. The touch screen is not really that much responsive, as you can see here. There is something going on with this one. Like even if you press the button, yeah, it is locked. Now let's try this one. No. 34. No. 000. No. What it could be? No. And this one, the battery is bad, as you can see here. The battery is bloated, definitely bloated. No, this one is not locked. That's good actually. So another one. Yes, it is on. And let's see the capacity. Maybe 32 gig variant. Yeah, 32 gig variant, but I have to replace the battery. Anyway, I can replace the battery from these devices because these are locked. So I will take battery from this and put here. That I have to do. So in this lot, what I have got here, so one of them is completely dead, this device. Let me plug in this device again to check. It is not showing any sign of life, and all these are locked with iCloud. So these all are locked. This one is showing live, so not dead. And these two are fully unlocked. These three are fully unlocked. So, but I have to change the battery on this. The display is a little bit yellow, but it is not bad. These two are really good condition, and this one is actually pretty good condition. The display looks good and looks nice. Of course, it is running on iOS 6. It has a little more value than other devices because you can't really downgrade them to iOS 6 nowadays. And the home button is also working. So beautiful device. So that's all about today's video. This one is actually not turning on. It is taking too long to open, and the battery is not looking bloated, but this one is not really in good condition. So these are the devices we got. 3 of them fully unlocked, and rest of them actually locked to the owner. Not bad actually. And the one I'm going to keep is this one. Of course, I need to bypass it. It is not really that difficult to bypass. You need Arduino, or you can use Raspberry Pi Pico. Obviously, I'm not going to make any tutorial of like bypassing device, kind of risky for my channel, but you can do it actually. So these are the device.